Hi class. Today I am going to help you with the Quizlet of the 12 Days of Christmas. As you can see on the left side of our screen, we have the Quizlet of the 12 Days of Christmas. This will help you throughout your study to learn each day. You have a speaker here because in pre-K we can't read yet, but it will read it out to you. Over on the right-hand side, I've put together a PowerPoint. It just helps you remember just by the words. And we will try to go over it over and over to try to remember what each day is. So first we're going to play the slideshow. And as you can see, I will be pausing it in order for us to take it slow. On the first day, my students gave to me a little Christmas tree. On the Quizlet on the left-hand side, you will have the answer as it asks the term on the first day of Christmas. Your answer will be a little Christmas tree. And as you can see, as you're going through the tutorial, it actually goes down through each day, first day, second day, in order. And again, you can press the speaker to help you to learn what the next one is. We will go on to the next day. As we continue through each slideshow, you will see what each day brings. And as you are looking at the study guide, the slideshow we will use as a study guide, then you can refer back to your Quizlet and it will help you answer each question. Don't forget to have the speaker here to help you read. We'll again go through each one, go on down to the 8th day, and the 9th, 10th, and again, here is your question and here is your answer. The Quizlet will help you to remember. I hope this helps, class, and you remember, use these terms to help you remember what the song. This is not the traditional song, so it may be a little harder to remember. But actually, it's a little funner because it's stuff that you can relate to during your classwork. Have fun studying, class!